In the fast-evolving world of decentralized finance, DeFi, Hyperliquid has emerged as a cutting-edge perpetual futures trading platform built for speed, efficiency, and user control. Unlike traditional exchanges, Hyperliquid leverages blockchain technology to offer low-latency trading, deep liquidity, and a fully on-chain order book. Features of Hyperliquid. 1. High-performance perpetual trading. Hyperliquid specializes in perpetual futures, perps, allowing traders to speculate on crypto prices with leverage without expiration dates. The platform supports up to 50x leverage on major assets like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Solana, SOL. 2. Fully on-chain order book. Unlike many decentralized exchanges, DEXs, that rely on automated market makers, AMMs, Hyperliquid uses a central limit order book, CLOB, model entirely on-chain. This ensures transparency, fairness, and tighter spreads for traders. 3. Ultra-fast and low-cost trading. Built on Arbitrum, an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution, Hyperliquid offers near-instant trade execution with minimal gas fees. Traders can open and close positions without worrying about high transaction costs. 4. Non-custodial and self-custody. Hyperliquid is non-custodial, meaning users retain full control of their funds via smart contracts. Private keys are never held by the exchange, reducing counterparty risk. 5. Innovative governance and staking. The platform has its native token, $HLP, which serves as a liquidity provider, LP, token. Users who stake $HLP earn a share of protocol fees, incentivizing deep liquidity. Final thoughts. Hyperliquid is positioning itself as a next-gen decentralized perpetuals exchange, combining the speed of CEXs with the security of DeFi. With its on-chain order book, high leverage, and low fees, it's becoming a top choice for advanced crypto traders.